In this video, we will show you how to transfer Solana from TapSwap to Phantom Wallet. If you guys want to get started with Phantom Wallet, you can use the links down in the descriptions. First, open the Telegram application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, use the search bar to find TapSwap and tap on it. Next, tap on Start to begin. Then, tap on Start Now to proceed with the process. After that, tap on Launch to open the platform. You'll now see the option to connect wallet. Tap on these options to continue. Then, tap on View All Wallets to see the available wallets. You should find Phantom Wallet listed here. Now, go back and open your Phantom Wallet app. Once open, tap on Receive to view your wallet's address. Then, tap on Solana to select the Solana address. Copy the address by tapping on Copy Address. Now, return to Telegram and paste the copy address in the appropriate field to complete the transfer process. So, that's how to transfer Solana from TapSwap to Phantom Wallet. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.